Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing some fire and guitar. The colors, as always, black and white is opaque, and the rest of the colors are transparent candies. Because I have a black background and the guitar is black, I'm just starting with the full white and the first stencil, where I use like 50% opacity to create a gray. And after this comes the highlight white. So I'm just painting everything in full white. And now I'm covering the whole thing to create the background. And as you can see, I'm doing the fire. And therefore, I'm putting white down as first step. So this is going to be the fire, so I have the measurements of the fire. So I'm putting down full white there. And I want to do some red, orange, yellow flames, so the darkest color will be the red. And for the dark gaps inside the flames, I'm using the purple. If I wanted to make it even darker, I would take them black. So in second step, I will take white again and I'm painting with yellow and red to create some orange tones. So I'm laying down full white again. And then I'm spraying over the whole thing. That's the beauty about the transparent colors, that the lighter colors won't affect the darker colors. So I can work each step, I go a little bit lighter. And on the final step, I take the full white. Later I'm gonna put also some yellow on this. So this is now some highlights around the guitar. Now comes the yellow. and some light brown. And finally I'm putting down some full white on a few parts of the stencil so I create some highlights. I'm not painting everything white, but just a few parts. And there you have it. And I'm putting down some highlights with the guitar too. And I'm doing some freehand smoke or flames. And that's it. If you like the style, you can subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Bye.